it's Ara G and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As a daughter, a friend, a model, a beauty queen, an influencer, a vlogger of course, and as a woman, soon to be girlfriend din ba? Char! I tend to balance my time most of the time. I do photo shoots, I attend events after events, I edit my videos, and the like. And just like you, I also experience being overworked, experiencing burnouts and panic attacks, unfortunately. But today, I will share with you guys how I put myself back to center. So, ladies and gentlemen, kagay-anons, this is my reality. Most of the time, I do it myself. I do it alone. I do it strong. I do it empowered. And most especially, I do it with Nissan Almera. Ali, pwede na ba ko ninyo ubanan? Kabalo mo guys, one of the things that I really love with this Nissan Almera is that it has this feature na will indicate if you are now okay or ready to change lane. Like for example, when I turn on the signal to the right, there's this feature na mag-on yung side mirror niya on the right if there's a car or a moving vehicle behind you. That's why it's really safe kasi it will really give you alert. Murag i-alert jud kaniya guys nga murag ayaw sa naga-carry jud ang Nissan Almera to you. So this is really one of the features that I personally love with Nissan Almera. Of course, safety features does not end there because did you guys know? Kabalo ko di wala mo kabaloan eh. Tingnan mo na ako, char. So, did you guys know that Nissan Almera has 6 airbags for your safety? Of course, giuban ta mo so gusto na ako dagan gyud airbags. And this is really perfect for road trips, especially with your family, if naba mo'y baby, or for me personally, I do road trips with my friends and syempre mga girls, maiingay, magugulo. It's really for safety purposes talaga na there are 6. I repeat, not only 3, not only 4, but there are 6 airbags in this Nissan Almera. So guys, now I've decided to grab some coffees. Here's a coffee bean here in Limketkai. So we're just finding a parking area here. And even though I'm just alone, no problem because I have this 360 feature camera of Nissan Almera and mupili jud ko og kuan landong. Okay, syempre girl ba ya. Pili jud ko landong, bahala lisod parkingan basta I have my Nissan Almera with me, no need to feel conscious sa parking kasi makikita ko front, back, left and right. Para na ali mag-coffee na ta. Gani ano mga gamit. Oy, may gani. Dako kay space sa Almera na trunk. Actually guys, this is also what I love about Nissan Almera kasi look how spacious the back area, the trunk area. Friend, is this called trunk area? Trunk? Yeah, so this is the trunk area. So look how spacious. Pero actually, kasya pa yung mga pamangkin ko dito. So, let's go to work. Guys, now we're on our way to work and as you can see, my driving is very steady lang talaga siya guys. And I really like the feeling, yung parang, especially the seat guys ha, kasi this has this feature na parang zero gravity, so it's very comfy na while you drive. So, even if you would go for a long driving, dami kong dinadaanan, even if daghan kay kog mga errands in a day, I still feel so relaxed. It's because of the seat. It's leather yung ano niya, yung seats niya here. I will show you in montage na lang. So, in 3, 2, 1. To be honest guys, ulit ko naka-breakfast. That's why so super busy. Char is maghapit sa ako diri sa Ernesto. This is located here in Gango. It's just me and my best friend Almera. I will name her Anastasia. But karon lang nako siya gikuan. Karon lang nako siya na think na name. Anastasia kay, di ba, napakita man ako sa inyo ganina guys. The car, it was very sleek, it was very sexy, and mention ko na rin ha, I love the steering wheel kasi this is telescopic. So ito siya, meron siyang parang i-push down and then you can adjust how high, how low. Pwede mo siya ipalapit guys, or ipaganyan, or paganyan, pa left right ba siya, ganyan. How for a tall girl like me, kasi I think I'm 5'6", 5'7", like that. So, I want na hindi masyadong malapit kasi I'm parang tall. So, ayun. Gusto ko parang ganyan lang siya. Not too high, not too low. So, mag-breakfast na siguro ta kay nagkutoy-kutoy akong tiyan. So, let's go. Ay, sa mga gani sa K-drama vibes. Thanks to the Nissan Almera, it has brought me to places like Ernesto. So, Ernesto. So, of course, safety protocols as always. So guys, as a strong independent woman like me, I am used to eating alone. I am just on the go. When I am done eating, wala na kailangan hulatan. In the next days to come, even if nanakoy kachar or uyab, I'm still the strong independent woman that you know. So practice lang. Kaon mo. Tarong din wala na nagkutoy-kutoy ako kiyan guys. So karon I'm planning to do a road trip. Let's go and let's sing along because this car has this CarPlay feature. So ayan, let's go. To be honest guys, giniginaw ako ngayon because hello, it's Nissan. Nissan is popular with their air condition. Super lamig talaga ng aircon nila guys. And experiencing it firsthand, grabe ang lamig. At thanks to Nissan's aircon, hindi ako nakakagard kahit na travel ako ng travel. So yeah, I think that's all I can say. I'll see you guys in a while. Here in Libona. So, tanawa ra gud ang view, guys. So, di ba, as what I've told you earlier, as long as I have my Nissan Almera with me, I can go to places. So, look at the place naman, guys. It really looks like New Zealand. So, you don't need to go to Europe. You just go to Libona. Char! That's just how simple my life looks like. Hindi naman always work, work, work. Sometimes we also need to distress and go away from the city, from the busy life, and recharge. Just enjoy the view. Guys, so now that we are here in the city, I feel like changing my outfit. Okay guys, so I just want to show you the back seat of the car. So look at my things kasi I have here my gown pa kasi 'di ba I told you I am also a model. So here are my things, my gown pa, meron pang backpacks, and of course extra shirt kasi I'm gonna change to a new outfit later on. Uban mo, char. Mention ko na rin guys, I just love how spacious the back seat of the car is. Very relaxing lang yun ang back seat of the Nissan Almera. So I want you guys to look at this one. And wait. Oh, joke! So ayan siya. Pwede na siya butnin here og coffee. Of course, safety first. Nissan will always value the passenger and the driver's safety. So, meron din siyang seat belt for the passenger seat. Grabe kainit na digi sa gawas. Uy! So, anyway, I also want to talk about the charging ports, the USB charging ports of this car. I really love na daghan kaayo og charging station or charging ports ang Nissan Almera, this car. First is we have two over here, like perfect siya for passengers or for passengers, for your friends, for your family, for your daughter, or anyone na passenger nimo. And then also here, perfect siya for the driver, like me. So, nga na siya. There are 3 charging ports here. So, di ba? So, as you can see, guys, earlier, this was full tank. But now, it's still almost full. Ganyan. Kasi, because this car also has a feature na when you are parked, I mean not parked, na when it is traffic and then parang murag naka full stop bitaw, like hello guys, we're in the city of Golden Friendship, so it's really obvious na sa city of Golden Friendship murag medyo traffic man jud. But thanks to Nissan Almera, for example, when traffic like full stop, mo off ang iyang engine guys. But of course dili mo off ang music and then ang aircon, only the engine kasi it is for power saving or para fuel saving na siya, so it will not consume gas when you are in full stop. So yeah, murag agdaghan na kay gidaldal guys. I'll see you. I'll just update you in a while. So, grabe guys, after a very long day, I still feel so relaxed, so refreshed. Hindi naman halata. Char! So, ayun siya guys, ganun lang. This is just how my day goes like. Nga niragid ko on a day-to-day basis. Let's park na and then I will show you guys kung gaano ka dali mag-park dito, okay? After a very long day guys, I still feel so refreshed. And alam niyo yun, yung parang it gives me that relaxing effect. And then finally, andito na tayo. Hi! And then I will show you how how easy it is to park with this Almera. And thanks to Almera, I still feel so fresh. Hindi naman ako napagod, so halata naman siguro hindi ako napagod sa pag driving ko. So ayun na guys, that's just how my day looks like. As long as I have my Nissan Almera with me, I know I can conquer the world. So ayun, ang masasabi ko lang, bahala ko lang love life. Basta may Nissan Almera.
In a world full of mishaps and chaos, choose to see the other side. The side that is full of beautiful opportunities and endless possibilities. I am Galenzoga, or RG. I challenge you to set the standards high, to be the compassionate woman your younger self once needed, the woman you only dreamt of becoming. An empowering and selfless woman for others. If you are looking for a sign, then this is it. A sign to share light, a sign to share hope, courage, confidence, and a sign to do all these with the all-new Nissan Almera. See you once again in time.